I just started learning AI agents this week, and I was honestly shocked. Not because it was hard, because it was so much simpler than I thought. And nobody told me that. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why this matters, even if you have zero tech background. You just have to follow closely until the end. Real quick, if you're new here, I'm Ann Rock. I teach busy women how to use AI for income without the tech overwhelm. And when I say busy, I need you to understand what my life actually looks like. I have 4 kids. 4. My oldest is already an adult, out of college, living her life, making me feel old every single day. However, she still lives here with us, but we love it. Then I have a son who is currently studying abroad, which sounds very exciting and international. And it is, but also means I am counting down the days until he comes home for 10 whole days before he flies right back out for his internship, 10 days. I'll take it. Then I have my daughter who plays competitive volleyball. And I don't mean local rec league. I mean, we are all over the United States, different city, different gym, different hotel, which feels like every other weekend. And yes, I am running my entire content brand from my phone the whole time, or just lugging my computer around with me. And my youngest is in karate and brownies. So, yes, I am also showing up to those classes simultaneously. So, clearly, we figured out a system or two. Oh, and I also teach full time, like in a school with actual students every single day. I am not a developer. I am not a programmer. I am a full time teacher, a mom of 4, a cross country volleyball travel parent, a brownie cookie supporter, and I run my own content business all at the same time. And I want to be super transparent with you. I'm not going to sit here and pretend I've mastered AI agents. I'm in a program right now actively learning this. I'm maybe 2 steps ahead of you. And that's exactly why you should listen, because I'm not going to hit you with jargon and make you feel dumb. I'm going to tell you what I actually learned, what surprised me, and what you actually need to know right now. I resisted AI for a long time, by the way. I thought it was for tech people, not for someone like me. Sound familiar? Before I keep going, if anything I just said resonated with you, would you do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below, even just a hello. I want you to know I read every single comment, everyone. When you comment, I see it, and it genuinely means the world to me that you are here. Okay, so what is an AI agent? Let me give you the simplest explanation I can, the one I wish someone had given me. You know how when you use ChatGPT, you have to go in every single time, type out your question, wait for the answer, then copy it somewhere, then go do the next thing. That's you doing all the work. ChatGPT is just answering your question. It's reactive. It doesn't do anything unless you show up and ask. An AI agent is different. An AI agent is a system you build or set up that can do tasks on its own without you having to prompt it every single time. Think of it like the difference between having a really smart friend you have to text every time you need help versus having an assistant who already knows your schedule, knows your preferences, and just handles things. Some examples, and I'm keeping these simple on purpose. An AI agent can draft your content responses. It can organize your ideas into categories. It can follow a workflow, like get this information, process it this way, then output it here, all without you babysitting it. You build it once, and then it works over and over again. That is an AI agent. Now, I have to stop here and address something because when I first started digging into AI agents, I kept running into this tool called Claude Code. And I'm going to be honest with you, Claude Code is a lot. It's a command line tool, which means you're literally typing code into a black screen. And look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. That is not where I started, and it's not where most of us need to start. When I first saw it, I genuinely thought, Okay, this is not for me. I'm out. But here's what I want you to understand, and this is really important. Claude Code is a powerful tool for people who are ready for it. Developers use it to build entire applications using AI. It is genuinely impressive, but it is not a requirement to work with AI agents. Not even close. You can build incredibly useful AI agent systems without touching a single line of code, without a terminal, without any of that. Think of Claude Code like a professional grade chef's knife. Absolutely incredible in the right hands. But you don't need it to make a great meal. You just need the right tools for where you are right now. So if you've seen Claude Code and felt overwhelmed, good. That means you're paying attention. But I need you to hear me. That is a layer you can add later. It does not have to be your starting point. Start where you are, build from there. Okay, so let me tell you what actually surprised me when I started going deeper into this. Surprise number one, I did not need to know code. I'm serious, zero code. The tools available right now for regular women who just want to get something working are genuinely no code or low code. That was not the case 2 years ago. It is the case now. Surprise number two, I thought it would create more work. You know how sometimes you try to save time and you end up spending 3 hours learning the thing that was supposed to save you time? Yeah, I expected that. That's not what happened. Once you set up an agent, even a simple one, it removes steps from your workflow permanently. Not just it helps you do the step faster, it removes the step. Surprise number three, and this one kind of broke my brain a little. You can build something once and reuse it indefinitely. Like, I built one small workflow for organizing content ideas, and I haven't had to think about that part of my process since. It just handles it. And surprise number four, the one I did not see coming. You don't have to build the agents yourself from scratch. There are pre built agents, there are templates, there are starting points. You are not reinventing the wheel here. You are choosing the right wheel for your car. If this does what I think it does, and based on what I've seen so far, it does, this could save me hours every single week, real hours, not theoretical hours. Okay, I want to show you something, or rather, tell you something. The version of me you're watching right now, this is my AI clone. I record a video once, my AI clone can deliver it, which means I can be at my daughter's volleyball tournament on a Saturday watching her compete while this video is going out to you. That is what AI agents make possible, not in theory, in practice, in my actual life right now. And before you say, well, that's cool for you, but I'm not there yet, listen, neither was I. 6 months ago, this felt like something other people did, not me. Now I'm the clone and I'm just getting started. Here's the thing I want you to sit with for a second. If you've ever said, I don't have time to learn AI, that is exactly why this matters. AI agents aren't for tech bros with 6 monitors and a podcast about coding. They're for women like us who have a lot going on, who want income and flexibility, and who need things working in the background while we handle real life. You don't need to become a tech person. You need to understand enough to put the right systems in place and then let those systems work. That's the whole game. That's it. Before you go, I need to say something to you, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. You gave me your time, and I know what that costs you because your life is full, your plate is full, and you still showed up. That means everything to me. I mean that. Whether this is the first video of mine you've ever watched or you've been here for a while, I see you and I am so grateful you are here. I want you to know every single word I just said, I wrote it. Professor Anrock Parker delivered it. She's my AI clone. But everything you just heard came straight from my heart. She and I make a pretty great team. Now, I need you to hear this next part. Are you still with me? I believe in you, not because it sounds good to say that, because I know that if you can manage your job, your kids, your family, your life, and still find time to watch a video about AI, You have everything it takes to build this. 1 hour a day. That's it. You don't need a tech degree. You don't need a perfectly clear schedule. You just need to start, and then you need to start today. Because here's what I need you to understand: the AI revolution is not on its way, it is already here. The train is at the station right now, doors open, engine running. And I refuse to watch you miss it. That's why I'm here making these videos. Yes, for you. So do me one favor before you go. Drop a comment right now. Say hello. Tell me where you're watching from. Ask me anything. I promise I will answer. Or just type the word agent, just that one word, and I will send you my full plan. Every tool I use, every step I take, exactly how I'm doing this in 1 hour a day. I read every single comment, every one. You are not talking to a robot. You are talking to me. If this video added even one spark of hope to your day, please give it a like. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with her. She might be waiting for exactly this moment.